Hello Marko, it's the rep here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this beautiful 2015 Lexus hybrid. Silver on black leather interior, of course. Push start. It has only 33,000 kilometers on it. Stereo system, of course, power windows, power locks. It's Lexus, has pretty much all the power options you need. No sunroof in this model. There's the trunk cover and the radio system, the climate control, the AC works, it blows ice cold here. There we go. Very clean. Fully certified. All season tires on it, and this vehicle comes actually with another set of winter tires as well. So it has rims and tires. So the winter tires are on steel rims. It's a CT 200H. If you have any question regarding this vehicle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. Extension 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.